Parallax has 4 tutorial series using the microbit in Python, and it takes only 2 kits from us to complete 100 hours of tutorials. That's almost a full semester. The Cyberbot kit is for the following 3 tutorials: Cyberbot, cybersecurity, and AI. The What's a Microcontroller with Python kit is for a tutorial by the same name. And since the Cyberbot is so popular, it also has a series of additional projects. The project kits include the QTI Line Follower, the Ping Ultrasonic Sensor with the Servo, the Gripper 3.0, and Feedback 360 servos. If you have more than a dozen students, look at our 12-pack plus kit for classrooms. There's one for the Cyberbot and one for What's a Microcontroller with Python. These will save you over 30%. There's a simple graphic showing the relationship of these tutorials and kits on our website right here. As always, contact us for more. Learn at parallax.com. Thank you.